Hi there, students. A Muppet. If somebody calls you a Muppet, they're insulting you. They're calling you an idiot. They're saying that you are stupid. You're a wally, a Burke, a nit. Yeah? A clot, a prat, a twerp, a twit. Yeah? A plonker, a bozo, a goof, a lummox. Okay, so a Muppet. A Muppet is an idiot. Now notice this is British slang, or certainly Australians use this as well. Let's see. The origin is from the Muppets, the Muppet Show. Muppets were from Sesame Street. Kermit the Frog is a Muppet. Miss Piggy is a Muppet, and these are the real original Muppets. But this word has gone into the English language, certainly in English, to talk about an incompetent or a foolish person. Don't be such a Muppet. Don't do it like that, or you're going to lose your money. Yeah. So some Muppets have been trying to do this on the cheap, and it hasn't worked. Yeah. Some Muppet parked his car in front of our entrance, and we can't get in or out. Okay, so a Muppet, an idiot. Don't be such a Muppet. Yeah. Think about what you're going to do. Yeah, he's such a Muppet, this guy. I really dislike him. Yeah, my boss is a total Muppet. Yeah, he's a total incompetent. He's a total fool. Okay, he's been acting like a Muppet, and that's why he's in trouble. Yeah, it's a stupid and silly person, and an airhead, somebody who doesn't think about what they're doing. I think most of the politicians in the Houses of Parliament are just Muppets. Yeah, they're a load of incompetent idiots. Yeah, they're just, well, bozos. I wish they weren't such Muppets. Then maybe we would get some better decisions or some better leaders. So the Muppets themselves were created by Jim Henson in 1955. And they were on Sesame Street, or have been on Sesame Street for years and years and years. And it's like a puppet. Yeah, a Muppet is a puppet. They are puppets, but it's gone through into our language. So if somebody calls you a Muppet, you have every right to be upset. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Muppet.